Okay, y'all, so we just got our room, which had been ready for an hour. They called me, I didn't know the number. But I'm gonna start from over here. I'm gonna turn it around so y'all can see. It's really nice. Okay, so this is when you first walk in. It's nice and standard. There's some artwork right here. Then when you come in, you have the double-sided sinks, the his and her sink. Super cute. There's me. Let me just talk about my dress. And this dress right here is from Jazzy Boutique. In case y'all want to know what my OOTD is, I'll come and show y'all a better view later. Here's another sink. Then if we go over here, this is the shower. It has the overhead shower. I love those kind of showers. You can actually sit down in there also. And then this is the toilet. Nothing really special about that. This is just the toilet. Okay, and everything is really spacious. So then when we walk in, this is the closet. Has your standard safe and everything in it. Chris had, it was the way it went on when Chris was in here. Let me focus. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Safe here, extra pillow there. It comes with robes. Hold on, babe. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, it has like the motion light in there. It comes with your complimentary robes that says the Royalton. Okay, I'm gonna close that back, and then it has a little mirror along with it. This is a suite, so there's a TV here. Don't mind, that's our bags. And then over here we have the couch area. Let me see if I can find some lights, cause sis don't know how to. There we go. It has an overhead light that's really cute. And the couch with a chase. Perfect for taking a nap. Where your full body mirror is. And it also separates the two. Well, separates the room to a certain extent. So you can watch two different things on TV. Hold on, y'all. Here's your full length mirror. And here's my full look of my OOTD. I think I may have added an extra O, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's keep going. So we come in here, we have the bedroom. Look at the ceiling fan, it is dope. This is a king size bed. It has a place for both of us on each side to have our own nightstand. And it has, I like this feature. Everything is so up to date. That's how you can control the air. It has your master lighting. We have to figure that out. And you can control like the ceiling fan. I'm not really sure how to work it all just yet. We'll figure it out. But then here's another mirror. Fix the lighting. So it's plenty of mirrors in here, ladies, for you, especially if you want to look at your outfit of the days and things like that. Okay. Come around, another TV. And down here, you have some glasses, coffee pot, mugs, and then you have your little fridge, which your mini bar. And it comes with, looks like 2 beers, some Coke, Sprite, and some Diet Coke.
Sorry.
Don't mind Chris in the background. He's trying to get me tagged for copyright.
No, I'm setting up the TV.
Okay. Just back over here, this is the other side of the bedroom. There's some artwork in the middle. Bedding is nice, really good size. Then you have, what's that called, babe?
Is this basically just like a little bench?
A little bench where you can sit on. And then here's your outside view. We have a bay view, with a sunset bay view. That's what we have. There's a screen, so be mindful. Yeah, so you can come out here at night. It is so humid, y'all. Oh my goodness, it definitely feels like summer still out here, and it's October. But this is a view of the bay. Not bad at all. And then, like I said, you have your 2 chairs out here where you can sit down and just enjoy it. So this is the entire room. Again, this is the Royalton Chic. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. We just got here today, so throughout the rest of the weekend, we're here from Thursday to Monday, so I'll be taking y'all along with me just so y'all can see everything. But I just want to give you a hotel tour and show you how everything looks. So if you're thinking about coming here, I definitely would recommend. Later, I'm gonna take y'all down to actually see how the resort is built outside and things like that. But jet lag is real and sis needs a nap, so I'll be back later. Bye. Intro, I'm just coming in. I'm gonna pop this into the video somewhere. But me and Bae are eating. We're on our anniversary trip. Say hey, Bae. He always does that. But yeah, so we're eating. We are staying at the Royalton Chic. Again, this will be in the middle of the video, so you would have already seen the tour and everything like that. But my food is pretty much done. I got some pasta, salad, and then 2 chicken wings. I just wanted to try out the food since this is day 1. But we're just pretty much eating here with the beachfront view. And then we're going to explore until our room is ready, and then go get changed, go downstairs to the beach, and just enjoy vacation. Okay, thank you. All right, so I'm drinking my Coke and my Marg. Don't mind the coaster, hold on. And my Marg. I'm drinking both. I'm trying to brace myself. The last time I came to Mexico, I drank so much liquor, I got sick within the first 2 hours here. So I'm trying to brace myself. I haven't taken any shots yet, but we'll probably take some soon since we got food on our stomachs. But I just want to check in. I'm gonna show y'all the view where we're sitting and eating, and then I'll come back. So this is our view. Let's see if I can light it up so y'all can see. This is our view from where we're sitting. Isn't it beautiful? Like perfect sea to eat. It's a little dark, but working on that. But yeah, so this is our view right here. I'm about to finish eating and I'll check back in with y'all soon. Bye. Okay guys, we're at dinner for night 1. I got the wedge salad, but instead of a blue cheese, I put ranch just because I don't like that. And Bae got his with blue cheese, and his actually looks a little bit more fancy. Thank you.
De nada. This is salt pepper, capture mayonnaise and mustard for your burger, and egg 1 salad.
Okay, thank you. And this is a steakhouse that we're at. Let me see if I can move around. It's the inside and outside area. We're sitting over here because we're more underdressed today, but we're just trying it out for today to see how it actually is, and then we'll come back sometime this weekend. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday, so we'll come back this weekend. So we just wanted to try it out, but the view is amazing. This is our view, and then everything here is like the LED lights, so we have a really good view of, you know, like the strip, the performance stage. So it's really nice. But I'm gonna go down. Y'all, I'm gonna try some of my salad. I love wedge salads, they're so good. Is what you cut your, oh no, this not. Wedge salad stick.
Yeah, that knife is more for spreading.
Okay.
The butter.
And one thing I think is funny, no matter where you go, ranch tastes different, because the ranch here don't taste like ranch. It tastes special.
Even the blue cheese.
It's pretty good. But yeah, it has a different taste to it. And Bae said the blue cheese don't taste like blue cheese either. But I'm gonna finish eating this before our food comes out. And if my battery doesn't die, I'll show y'all what we have. Okay guys, food is out. I have a burger and mashed potatoes. Ignore the fries, I didn't ask for those. Babe has steak, mashed potatoes, and veggies, and is that chicken? Chicken. What kind of chicken?
Portuguese style chicken.
Okay, so that's all the food. Now we're about to eat. Be back. Okay, y'all, so I came to the beach today. I pray I don't fall in this water. It's so pretty. You see how blue it is? Let me see if I can make it lighter. Yeah, it's so pretty and blue. There you go. You can see the water is so pretty. But yes, so I came out here. I'm scared to go too far because I can barely stand in the lower water. I don't know if it's easier the further out you go, but I just do not want to fall. So I'm gonna stand, me and them, stand on the edge because I'm afraid. But yeah, so, and this is what I'm wearing, the pink, the red. Can you see me? And look how far out they are, y'all. Like, I don't see how they do that. Me, I'm scary. So I'm gonna stick with what I know. You see the back of the resort. Bay's up there sitting down because he ain't gonna get in this water. And that's okay because I don't blame him. But as for me, oh, I'm standing pretty far though. I think this is good enough though. I don't want to go. It's crazy. Actually, the further you step in the water, the more leveled it is. I didn't know that. Yeah. So that's why so many people are so far out, because it's easier to get leveled. Yeah, see now I'm further. And it's more leveled. Let me see if I can get something on my Insta. I'm trying to double record. Okay. And wait. They are so far in that water and I'm so scary. Like, for me, this is just too much. I really don't see. Can you see how far, like, I'm barely in the water? It's too deep and they are out there so far. Let me turn them around so you can see. You see how far out everybody else is and I'm just right here? Because I'm not trying to get taken away by no waves. The water is like super blue though, like it is so blue and pretty. Look at that wave, look at the wave. Oh God, please don't knock me down, don't knock me down. It's not as bad once it gets here. But yeah, so if I can barely stand in this, I'm like, I don't see how they're standing in how they're doing. I don't see how they're doing it out there. But like I said, it's more level the further out you go. But yeah, so this is our full day. We're gonna stay 2 because we got here so early yesterday morning. So this is day 2 in Cancun for our anniversary trip. If you ever think about coming to Cancun in October, this is the perfect time to come because it is really nice out here. It was supposed to rain a lot while we were here, but it's not.